Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to solve Feb March 2018 paper 1-2 AS Physics question 39. So let's begin. A nucleus of Neptunian 236 contains 93 proton and 143 neutron. This nucleus decays with an emission of an alpha particle. The nucleus formed the nucleus formed then emits beta negative particle. Which diagram shows the changes in the number of proton and number of neutron in the nuclei. So be very careful. They are asking not about the nucleon number. They are asking about the number of proton and number of neutron, not the nucleon number. So don't be confused. Okay. So as we all know that in an alpha particle decay, 2 protons are lost and 2 neutrons are lost, right? And if we talk in terms of nucleon number, then it decreases by 4 and the proton number decreases by 2. But here it's asking about the number of neutron. So it would decrease by 2 and the number of proton would also decrease by 2. So as you can see that it has 93 protons. So it must be at like it will after the decay, alpha particle decay, it must reach to 91. And as you can see, it has 143 neutrons. So after alpha particle decay, it must have 141 neutron. So let's see which option matches our situation. Okay, so here is they show that 143 decreases to 139. Now this is about nucleon number, so it won't decrease by 4. So option A is wrong. Option C is wrong because they show that it's increasing. It won't increase because it's a decay. So of course it will lose. Option A and C are wrong. Now for option B. For option B, they say that it decreases from 143 to 141. Okay, and then it increases. No, it won't increase. It would decrease. So option B is again wrong. Option D is the correct answer, but I will explain you why. See, first it changes from we are looking at the nucleon number first. From 143 to 141, yeah. And then for the proton number, it is changing from 93 to 91. As you can see on the x-axis. Okay, so after that, there is a beta negative particle decay. You must remember one thing, that there is no change to the nucleon number when you're talking in terms of nucleon number for beta negative decay. There is no change, but in terms of number of neutron and number of proton, there is a change. Okay, don't forget this thing. So as we all know that in a beta negative particle decay, neutron decays to form a proton. So the nucleon number would decrease by 1 as it was on 141, so it would be 140 now, and the proton number would increase by 1 because neutron decays to form a proton. So it increases from 91 to 92. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching. Still, if you have any doubt, any confusion, you may ask in the comment section below.